Let's go.
The process of filling a metal fitness weight with plastic is done manually, and the plastic is extruded with a press, and sharp edges are trimmed. This boat uses the principle of duck feet for forward movement, using oars instead. The trend for epoxy tables is fading, and tables with the addition of aluminum alloy have taken their place. One such bucket can hold 2 passenger cars at once. The process of recycling plastic bottles into granules for further use in various industries. When loading any vessel, it is necessary to distribute the entire cargo evenly, otherwise, it may capsize or run aground. Hydroabrasive metal cutting is a type of cutting where a high-pressure water jet with abrasive is used as the cutting element. There is no material deformation when it is processed as the treatment occurs at the micro level. With a few pieces from a construction set and 2 batteries, you can create a small printer. When hot metal is immersed in water for cooling, it gives the sensation that the water is burning. Mechanical machines for mass production of parts from metal wire are widely used in industrial production. The transfer of control over production processes to an industrial computer has enabled a computer-controlled machine to provide the rotation of bending consoles in 3-dimensional space in any specified sequence. A clever way to clean a ravine using a car tire. Thank you for watching to the end. I always strive to improve the quality and offer you something new and interesting, so I am confident that you will like the next video even more. Thanks for your support. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.